Wiyake gima omwanchi omuriya wigetaseni kia Ndizi TV no gasemerera kwane muna kwabere kugutwara oborigereria obuya naboigo kwego kia nemerobiri yegendete koretwa nigetaseni kia Ndizi TV nebiro binde na ndito kumira na asemesa ya mangana maya elinde ngumanye ntara yabereka gokorekana kurwa chingongo chonsi inye Chinsa inyora asinse mochiche mitandao asense ya Facebook nabagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital nabiga asense ya YouTube nabagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News nabiga asense ya website nabagotonyara gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke Editorial name Fridah Kerubo na asense mochi byorokerere ni gotokobwatanere Joshua Auta chinga kitoroche ababwatani korwa sekyombe ya Talk Talent korwa sense ya USA bakorire etaro yabo imeye county ya Nairobi naboigo orogongo rwa Gusii asoko ene kibunango letabare amagendero asi Chinsa mechu naboigo bunenchere ya moyo gukinia sector yoboncheriri nigobono aboncheriri ba small micro enterprises banyareko bakonyora obokonyi ase okwegendereria naboiga se county ya Nairobi nigotorocho mugavana we county yo Johnson Sakaja aumerenete na bakori emirimo gose aboncheriri ase sector yobosombi asoko ene kibuna aboro kigwango konye kabale elinde kwegendereria naboigo konyora amasomo abo mwanchi mulietenda so asensemo ya kabere ye studio gingoirana ningomanye amangi Omansi omurigereria ikaransa oike elinde ngomanye asenchera yobwenye ingo chaka kigimani gongo chakira orogongo rwa Gusii asengo kumanya buna ababwatani bekyombe gia Talk Talent kurwa sensemo ya USA bononigo bakorire etaro yabo ase county ya Nairobi naboigo orogongo rwa Gusii abo bakwene kyangangu kine bale chisemi naboigo obonchereria okwana nigo baene kiribuna nigo baganitie koleta amagendera sorogongo rwa Gusii naboigo gendereria orogongo rwarabotura senchira eyobwenye.
David Fagan with Top Talent Agency. This is Isabel Donadillo, the co-founder, and we came here from the US. We brought a group of business owners, business leaders who are also speakers and professional best-selling authors to give and to serve and to share. We focused on entrepreneurial education and helping business people get into the job market, creating different apprenticeship programs, internship programs, and opportunities to work with the business people that we brought. So we got to Kenya. We started out in Nairobi. We've been to Nairobi University. We've come up here to Kisii. We've been to Kisii University, Kisii Polytechnic. We've been out to the Magna School. We've been out and visited the villages. We donated and set up a gate, helped build a wall, painted some blackboards, and last night we were honored to be with Governor Simba Arati talking about potential future projects. So it's been a good trip so far.
Bunenchere ya moyo kwenekia ugutaibira kwa matemwa manene yekirasige ya gatano na gatatu naboigo 12 muwaziri w'ekisemi Zekel Machogu nigo abekire emerobiri bene ase abwatanire nekyombe gya Communication Authority of Kenya naboigo ababwatani bali babwate obumanyi asensemo ya ICT eriyo kwene kibuna oboibi bwa matemu mbuli gokorekana asensemo emitandao okwana nigo arule egekure getindi gochia ase onde wensi obwate ekerengerero gochigosambaza amatemo asinsemo chiri chimitandao.
Keeping a keen eye on social media criminals who have previously conned innocent Kenyans on claim they were able to sell genuine examinations to them. Already 2 university students are facing prosecution for involvement in various cybercrime offenses. Indeed, we are giving you some hint. We are working very, very closely, as I said, with the ICT. We are working very, very closely with the Communication Authority. And in case you get anything on your phone, one purporting either this is an exam or anything, like what you were informed here by the CEO NEC, don't pass it on. Report to the security personnel. Because if you pass it on and we are closely monitoring, then you will be taken as an accomplice. You will have abetted a crime that at that particular level you should have stopped.
Omugavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nigo aumiranite na bonchoreria anene mono kurwase sekta y'obosombi anene mono balia ba matatu ase ogotwara chinkwa na chio kuigwana na bigo gokonya aboroki gwago kwana nigo abanchiranite ase chintere bacheigwananire gochikubogoria aboroki gwabo wechikuru cy'oborosobosa batari gwakanira elinde kweneke bunango konyeka bale na bigo kwenyorera chisemi chiabo.
To say if all children below class what? Or to primary? Yeah? To a baby when the shule. For free. Are you willing? Hata noni ya mikono. Haki Yesu ni Bwana. Hiyo basi. Sasa mimi muniache ni deal na police. Sawa sawa? Kama ni watu hii, but don't use it as an excuse to carry grown people excess. Sini sawa? Watoto wenye kona uniform wakubaliwe kubeba for free. Do you know you people can make us, you can glue our society? Because watu wetu unapata home hakuna food. That's why I'm doing a school feeding program. Ile watoto wetu wapate kitu at least shule kukula. Alafu some schools are far. Hiyo sijui 50 bob ama 20 bob ya kwenda shule, many don't have. Today we are saying children in Nairobi County will be carried by our matatus if they are in uniform for free. And the matatu will not be charged for excess for those children. Because these are short distances to a idea.
Unenchere ya moyo kwenekia obokoreri obia ase chi cooperative ekyombege kurwania obokurumi EACC bona nigo kimukiri egetambukiro nabo igokumurikira alia gokorekana ase chi cooperative echo bakoragwa no mu commissioner o EACC Colonel Retired Alfred Mushimba nigo aenekiri okurwania obokurumi nabo igokweneki obotuneneli obia ase chi cooperative echo nabo igokweneki amagenderero ase chi county ao.
So, we want to help cooperatives in ensuring that there is good governance. Yeah, there is good governance in the cooperative societies. Good governance is critical because it gives our farmers confidence in making sure that whatever they produce, they are assured of their payments. Not only assured of their payment, but they also assured their payments will be in good time. And this is critical. It's going to help us also in our food production, in food production, and mitigating the challenges which we are currently facing. We have already held such training in 7 counties, and will continue going to other counties. That is with the cooperative societies. So it's important that we have the systems review. We have the systems review, and we make sure that the people who are placed there, they're the right people and the people with the right integrity.
Kubatekana no gochika kurwase serikali ya kaunti ya Uasin Gishu wananigo echiro ya Eldoret yabereke gosie kwa bene ase amatuko atamanyekanti ani gagocha magagayo gosaga no kwenekigwa as Chinsa ase abonchurilia babete bagosiria ebinto byabo kurinde abamenyi kurwase nsemeyo nigo be murunganiri nabo igokorokia ogotago kigwa negetambukiro ye serikali ase ogosieka echireyo.
The county government of Uasin Gishu would like to condemn in the strongest terms possible the unfortunate incidents that led to the looting and violence meted on innocent traders by criminals. Would also like to state that the disturbance also caused unrest and looting of business premises and establishment, and as a result, the county deployed security personnel to calm the situation and stop further destruction of property.
Tunahuzunishwa na kitendo ambacho kilitokea. Kwa kweli sio kitendo kizuri, lakini baadaye kwa kufunga soko ambayo imefungwa kwa muda usiojulikana, soko ya chakula inahuzunisha sana kwa sababu kuna Wakenya wanaokufa kwa njaa. Wanyama wanakufa kwa njaa. Ukame Kenya, hali ya uchumi kwa mgumu. na soko linafungwa, soko la chakula. Inatuumiza na inatusumbua sana wananchi, kwa sababu afadhali chakula hicho kichukuliwe kipelekwe kwa wale wanaumia njaa, kwa wale wanateseka njaa, kuliko kufungia pale kwa siku zisizojulikana ili chakula kiharibike.
Unenchereye moyo gokinia sekta y'obonchereria bananigo abonchereria ba small and micro enterprises banyolire obokonyi bw'ebintu ebirachiko bakonya ase obonchereria bwabo. Anene mono abonchereria ba boda boda nigo benyolire ebintu byogosambereria nabo igo gosibia boda boda chiabo ase okwangoya obokoleri bwabo nabo igo kwegendereria.
Here at the Micro Small Enterprise worksite, where we have just presented equipment for almost 2.5 million to different organizations and 2 recipients, the Chapakazi group and the Maysoon Boda Association, who have received equipment varying from 2 boxes to power washing machines, welding machines, equipment that will help them build their lives and enable them to set them up for success in life. As you know, the President has stressed during his campaign, he continues to say that his main concern is the people at the bottom of the scale. And just as early as yesterday when he finished swearing in his ministers, we have been asked to reach out as far as possible, and we have brought this equipment, we have empowered these people. We are asking them to use this equipment to work a pesa mfukoni. That was the slogan, pesa mfukoni. This equipment, they are power washing, wataosha pikipiki zao, wataosha magari za watu, wataweka pesa mfukoni. Wengine wapata machines za kufanya welding, they'll also be able to weld and use the equipment.
Hi abamenyi ba Garissa Central bagendete kwerobelia ase obochorio boke bonanigo ababwatani kurwase byombe abesokire nabo igokoralia omorembe bakoragwa na Hadija Ibrahim nigo baroberie ebisaku akumirana elinde gosanga nabo igokwena ki obomo nabo igokumirana ase okorandia omorembe.
Ulete pamoja stakeholders kwa ajili sisi tulikuwa tunafanya program inaitwa uchaguzi bila balaa ambayo imekuwa funded na such program through European Union. So hii uchaguzi bila balaa ilikuwa inaenda before elections, during elections na after elections. Now that we are after elections, bado tuko na election nyingine ambayo inakuja by election ya Garissa Central. So we need to get prepared for this by election and also take recommendations from our previous meetings so that we can put in place these recommendations so that all the stakeholders will contribute and we see way forward what we can do. Last month tulikuwa na women cultural exhibition ambayo watu wa Garissa wamejitokezea kulete traditional practices ambayo kama ni chakula, kama ni songs, kama ni dance. Pamoja tulikuwa na magroups mbalimbali na that was also saying, you know, bring cultural diversity so that hata tulikuwa na non-locals kama Waborana walikuwa huko wameleta mchezo yao, at least watu wakutane baada ya elections wa
Umanche umarigereria korwa sorobotiro ni wanaikire omwelio wa mangana maya asevire biga kurende ngo gosabato basagosikato basakanyegera chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayo na mange no yanyara senchira iyo bwenye nyara Chinsa mochiche mitandao sensema ya Facebook na bakatanya gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na biga sensemeri ya YouTube na bakatanya gwitira Ndizi TV News na biga sensemeri ya website na bakatanya gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke maga ich kamera soko ne kibuna ebichana boigo eliogire gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere Abigail Nyanchama tobe tokubwatanere Joshua Auta asinse mochibioro kerelio na incheria ne Fridah Kerubo kokuganilia obuligerelia obia.
bwigiriria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tugukwiraniria ngambia muno asoko genderera guturigiriria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubirio yaitu yonsi Chinsa merongevere naine bono onye kendegia korekanire aseke nyurukiao ekiota getutumanye asubwango mono abonda isi veke nambeye asese miao enoti Isano na Ibere inya isato Isano nemo Ibere isato Isano na isato Isano na Ibere eyemo elioto akere n'abasaki baito baikasure na kubekora boti ubwo asembeo emesa ya mangana Amayia ya Ndizi TV nereyo kwa bekire simi yao ime
ine nomanyete eke wiki ya ora umwanogo noko mwachisemi chikerero bono Skyline Friends School nero lichibuliao ayo moiboli ne skuru ebwata borokia babwatu bumanyi bwigoro asogokonya aborokiwa nigo babwate preschool yuere a playgroup goika pre-primary 2 lower classes cha grade 1 goike grade kia gatano na kemo ne klasi kia gatano na kabere nigo babwate amachama yayo gotumeka abakori emeremo baisaine chigali chobosombi egatikia kyo kogosorelia CCTV kira ekirasi lyokobeka obolendi abalimu baisaine naboigo nigo babwate asagaya abana bagosomera naboigo nkwena nabale echae guchakira Chinsa inye chamambya boigo nkwena nabale endagera ya mobaso nigo bale asensemo ya getare chimita chimeisano choka kurwase pale nene ya Kisii Nyamira ekeroko genda ase kanisa ya Bituka SDA Church bagere ase namba yomo director enoti Isano na Ibere Ibere inye Ibere Isano na Ibere isato Isano Isano na isato Ibere baigo banyore wetera ase namba ya BC enoti Isano na Ibere eyemo Isano na Ibere isato inye Ibere Isano na isato Isano na isato enoti Skyline Friends School ayerera asama bagamake atigarete
asegati yaito